Hi, welcome to the Strayos Academy. My name is Jon Lewis. I'm going to be talking about how future shot planning looks within the Strayos platform. In order to get best results for this, it helps to have an entire pit flight process within the platform. This helps to allow for all of the future designs to be appropriately shown within their respective bounds. So after the flight's been processed and appropriately geo-referenced, that orthomosaic can be uploaded to Google Earth or any other program that exports KMLs or DXF files. From there, outlines of future benches can be drawn and markers with the date that the shot will take place can be uploaded back into Strayos. Information even outside of the geotiff bounds can be imported for referential visualizations as well. So within Strayos, we've implemented a very simple method to upload these files. We've denoted that in our import DXF and KML files video. So similar to that video that looks at just uploading the KML and DXF files, we can follow that workflow to easily view our planned designs. The great thing about having this entire pit flight, as well as having a pretty good idea of where our shots should be laid out, is that now we can start designing our shots directly within the platform. So if we go and toggle on those shots, we can see where previous shots have happened, the dates that they happened, and the ones that we're looking to design. So we can actually see that this one looks to be drilled, but if we wanted to, we can zoom in directly on this area, toggle off the visualization layer, go into the shot planning module and actually design the shot plan from within this geotiff. It would be more appropriate to refly the area a couple of days before the blast or even the same day in order to get an accurate bench and high wall profile to be very assured that it's a safe 3D burden design. So this is a great way to plan shots and patterns for areas. And if they are geo-referenced with a GPS system, then all it takes is actually exporting the whole locations directly into the GPS. And this shot design will maintain its accuracy, even if it's planned months in advance. What that kind of workflow would look like if we were to say, wanted to design this this back blue area, we could actually drop the shot design like hole locations for the initial design, and then whenever we do the face profile, we can just adjust the face holes in order to appropriately design for the front row burden, while the back maybe 2 or 3 rows maintain the accurate GPS information, and we can lay those out months and months in advance. So I hope that this video has been helpful. If you want to find more information or videos like this, please navigate to the Strayos website, which is strayos.com. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.